Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jason at JJ Customs let me take this home to do a little unboxing for you. It is a flyhighrc drone. It is a 10,000 V series foldable 2-axis drone. So it's only got two motors on it rather than the 4. So it comes in a nice carry case. Here's the price, and $516.99. It is looks like it is on sale on the website flyhighrc. Go to their website. I'll leave a link down below, or you can walk in and pick it up at JJ Customs. To get it, it's he does have them on the shelf in stock. With his other drones that he's got for this company, there's 2 more. I did a couple videos. I'll either leave links up here or down there, whichever is easiest for me when I'm editing this video. I try not to edit these ones because they're just unboxings, as long as I don't ramble on too long. So it does have a little package, a little spot up here. Comes with your instructions. I think that's all that's in here. Yeah, comes with instructions. I think you get half and half or something like that. Yeah, so your English is right up front. Here's a, you can download an app, so you can see what you're doing and watch the camera. I believe this one has 2 cameras on it. So yeah, so definitely read that. Like I said, I'm not real familiar with drones, so I don't fly them that often, but this is a nice one right here, guys. Here's the controller. It's got a nice little, see the battery's even got some juice in it. This is a rechargeable, so there's a plug here somewhere, but you can see there's a screen on there and everything. Your antennas come up, okay? They rotate, so you can fold them back, fold them forward, like that. Your phone comes up here. This, I think this little piece right here pops up. Can't get it to pop up. There it goes, okay? So your phone sits there, and then pull it up, okay? And it tilts a little bit, right? So there's that. That's nice. This one doesn't have a ton. It's got the little knobbies back here. This shows a camera and recording. And I'm not positive. Oh yeah, this does have a microchip that you can get, that you can buy yourself a microchip and put it in there, and that way you can record on it. Okay, so here's your charge cord, right? And this charges this and your battery, which is in here. We'll show you that in a minute. I'm not going to open any of this stuff because it's not mine. It's just a unboxing. So this comes with, looks like 4 extra screws and a little screwdriver in here, okay? The charge cord, and I will open this though. This should be the battery, I would assume. Oops. Yeah, battery and something else, and another charge cord, okay? So here's your battery. There's where you charge it at, okay? That's funny that it gives you 2. It must be 2 different things. Yeah, 2 different style chargers. So this is just for this right here, okay? So let's turn that off. So you got your charger for that, your charger for the battery, and then you got your drone, okay? So there's another bag in here. Oh, and here's some blades. Looks like there's 4 blades in there, okay? Anything else down in there? Sneaking down there? And then here's the drone. Oh, this thing's pretty cool. I see it on their website. You can see it fly and all that stuff. Okay, so you, I think you go like, these pop up like this, okay? This sits on the ground. Here's your one camera, and it's movable. Here's another camera down here below, right? So you can face it straight down, and these pop off somehow. Just I just don't want to break it. So let's pull this back down so we don't pop those off, huh? Okay, so there's your camera, and it is on an axis, so it does move for you. I believe you can control where it goes and the angle of it. There you go. Just got to push down on those. Okay, so they got that off, and see there's your camera. It does, I believe it does have a little, because it moves like that, or it's, not sure what it does. I think there's a little thing on here, and it's got a stabilizer, is what it is. I believe that's what it is. It was saying. Peel this off real quick. Put it back on afterwards. Okay. So then you got your drone that comes up, your wings come up, and then these tilt up, and that's how they adjust. They're on little motors. Okay. So it flies like that, and they turn and then fly. So I think that's awesome, guys, to me. That's pretty neat. So then your battery could go in here like so. You hook up right there to there. Bam. Okay. You got your camera up front. Like I said, I think it's got a sensor to where it moves or how it sits. Like I said, I'm not real familiar with this. It does it's got to return home, so that's cool. I don't have to go chase it, hopefully. That's what I'm afraid of, you know. It's got a 2.7 HD pixels, 180 degree angle system. That's so it'll stay, you know. See how the camera's, again, I know you guys can't see that, but you turn and it's stand. So it's supposed to keep a steady, so you won't be bouncing around when you're flying up in the air. Let's see, altitude hold mode, 3D view mode. It's got a GPS follow me, dual camera. It's got a 2-axis mechanical self-stabilizing electric anti-shake lens. So that's what I'm talking about, so it doesn't shake while you're flying. 1,200 meter control distance. Yeah, so got one key takeoff. You can read all this stuff in the into the website. So you go on the app, or not the app, but the website, flyhighrc.com. I'll leave a link down below. Same with the JJ Customs LLC. I'll leave a link down below for that, to where you can buy this. So yeah, it's kind of cool, guys. I thought it would look neat, you know. Drones usually have four propellers, you know, 4 motors. This one's only got 2, and they adjust for forward and backwards. So I thought that was kind of neat. So there you go, guys. Go check out the sites. They ship for free too. flyhighrc.com ships for free in the United States. Same with JJ Customs, free shipping in the United States, and then they both ship worldwide for $29.99. So yeah, so go check them out, guys. I'll leave links down below, like I said, and I thought this was cool. That's why I just brought it home, so you guys can check it out. I will package it up all nice and neat and return it. Nobody will even know. Shh. I'll put it back in the back. No, I'm just messing around. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.